Greetings, Dan Stanius here. This is Notebook LM. I use it quite a bit now. This is a pro account, and I realized that I'm doing the same operations on different sets of data, different files. The max for Notebook is 50 files, I believe, and I'm using it for OCR in this case. These are my expenses. And I realized that I can't do the same thing that I've done in the past, which effectively I can't save one agent state from one notebook to another notebook. And here's my feedback for Google. I uploaded X files. I want to perform Z operations. Z in this case is perform OCR, extract OCR data, save it to a spreadsheet. But there's no way for me to do that. So what I have to do in this case is I need to create or need to be specific about uh, this particular customized data table. So let me get the let me get the structure of the output that I want. So here is the paste that in. Here is the head. Here are the headers for my data. Extract data from the images, range by the header structure. Output as a Google Sheet. Now, I don't think it's going to actually do that. It's going to create a data table because Notebook still doesn't talk to or create proper Google Sheets or proper Google Sheets or proper Google slideshows. Let's see what happens. And again, I've already entered this operation before. I have to redo it again, which is part of the reason why I'm making this video. Notebook LM should make it easier for us to do a variety of jobs repetitively. And this is going to take a little bit of time, so I'm going to pause. Okay, after about a minute or so, data came back, and you can see this is it's quite detailed, but I don't need that much detail for this particular exercise. So I will modify. I'm going to modify. Oh, it's not going to allow me to modify the prompt. No. So I have to go back out and create a new. Okay, let me just see if I can. Okay. So I'm going to copy copy that and then create a new slide deck. Okay, Control V. Extract data from the images. Only gives the totals of the receipts. Simple. Output as a Google Sheet. All right, so generate, and now hopefully it will come back with the data that I want, the format that I want. I'm going to pause, give it some time, Notebook LM, to think about it. Okay, so it came back after quite some time with a summary, but you can see it only picked up 5 of the 10 invoices. So it's not quite there yet. Let's go back to the studio, try one more time with a data table. I'm going to delete all of these. I don't know if that memory is consuming, if that is consuming some of the large language models context memory for this project. Control V and extract uh, extract data from all images. Extract only the totals, only the total value, only the total amount on the receipt, and you are a talented bookkeeper. And let's clean that out. And output is Google Sheet. All right, so now I'm going to generate that. And I'll pause one more time. Try it again. And we have 10 sources, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 resources. And it looks like it has worked. Now, let's see what it looks like as a sheet. And that's what we were looking for. All right. With much back and forth, Notebook LM with a very specific prompt and extract data from your receipts to help you with your bookkeeping and home budgets, etc. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please click like, subscribe, share. Really helps the algorithm, and happy computing.